And this is room 6043 of the Ocean Tower. This is a hotel unit, 1 king partial ocean view. And directly as you come into the room from outside, you do have the bathroom area. So you have a little thing of Kleenex, you have a sink. You do have a shower cap, shampoo, conditioner, and body lotion, as well as a facial soap. Inside this pull-out drawer, you have your hair dryer as well as an extra thing of toilet paper. A really big mirror here, directly on the right. And this is where you're gonna have your shower. Pretty average, decent size shower. So inside the shower, they just have another thing of bath soap here. You also have your toilet. Right here next to the bathroom is where you have your ironing board, your iron, your hangers, your safe, as well as your luggage rack, and then some additional storage up here as well. As you come in here, this is the main room. So directly out that door, you have the balcony that overlooks the golf course. You have a couch, which I was told is supposed to pull out into another bed. You have a king size bed here. You have some light features over there that does have some wall sockets so you can plug in your chargers. Right here next to the bed, you have your phone as well as your alarm clock. Directly across from the bed, you have your TV unit with a PlayStation. Right here next to it, you have your coffee maker, your ice bucket, as well as some coffees. Underneath it, you also have a mini fridge. You have some storage up here. You have more storage here underneath the TV. Oh, cool little compartment. They have a thing here about your safety and some bags you can put your dirty clothes. You have a writing desk. Over here by where the couch and the pull-out bed is, you do have a little coffee table. And then this is gonna be our view from outside. It is really windy today. But you have the ocean view there. And over here next to us is the golf course. You also have some patio furniture out here so you can sit out here and look at the water. And that concludes our tour of room 6043 here in the Ocean Tower.